Fixing connection issues in Cash App is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can fix the connection errors in your Cash App. So the process is pretty simple. So you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try that by going to YouTube or trying to search at Google. If your internet is working fine, it means the problem is in the Cash App. So for that, you can simply reinstall the application. You just have to long press it and tap on uninstall, and you have to install it again from the Play Store or Google Store. But if you don't want to reinstall it, so there's another way as well. You need to go to your settings, and in your setting you have to search for apps. As you guys can see, I searched for apps, and now I'll go to these settings, which is app setting. Now I'm gonna scroll down until I find Cash App. As you guys can see, there is the Cash App, so I have to tap on that, and here I have to tap on this storage setting. Now here I have to tap on this clear data and then clear cache. What it will do is it will delete all the cache or the data for my Cash App, which means it will make my app like new, like freshly installed. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can fix the connection errors in Cash App. Hope you guys find this video helpful.